Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a case study in psychology. First, clearly define your research question and the scope of your study. Next, select a participant or group that aligns with your research goals. Remember to obtain informed consent, ensuring they understand the study's purpose and their rights. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful and ethical case study. Once your plan is set, begin collecting data using diverse methods. Conduct in-depth interviews, observe behaviors, and review existing records. You might also use standardized psychological tests to gather quantitative data. Ensure all information is meticulously documented, perhaps in a research journal, to maintain accuracy and track progress effectively. With your data gathered, the next step is thorough analysis. Look for recurring themes, patterns, and anomalies in your observations and interview transcripts. Interpret these findings in the context of psychological theories and your initial research questions. It's important to consider multiple perspectives and potential biases to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the case. Finally, compile your findings into a well-structured case study report. Begin with an introduction, detail your methods, present your results, and discuss their significance. Conclude with a summary and any ethical considerations. Always prioritize participant confidentiality, using pseudonyms or general descriptions to protect their identity. A clear, concise report effectively communicates your insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.